No, sir.
Okay. This time, I am taking your invitation, which is not printed. Those were the printed, and these will be not printed. Okay. In this way, you will have the revision of your formal letters also. Okay. Invitation not printed. Okay. This is formal. You can write here formal. Formal invitation.
सर बच्चे वेटिंग में इन कर लीजिए।
अभी कर लेते हैं बेटा। ये तनु सिवाल, तनु सिवाल, शीश तनु सिवाल, हेलो तनु सिवाल।
सर अभी वो ज्वाइन हो रही है, नेटवर्क इशू है।
अच्छा अच्छा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर उसका नाम दिखाई दे रहा है ना तनु सिवाल का।
सर हो गई ज्वाइन।
हो गई जॉइन तनु सिवाल। हेलो तनु सिवाल।
यस सर।
कैन आई मार्क योर प्रेजेंट?
यस सर।
ओके बेटा।
यस सर। सर अभी अटेंडेंस लगा दो।
लगा दी लगा दी
सर।
चलिए। सो our not printed formal invitation, it has a definite format. It has a definite format like the formal letters. So first of all, we will just go through the format of this formal invitation not printed. Format. As you are know very much that first of all, we write here the sender's address. Okay, then we will give a line of gap. Okay, then we write here date. Okay, sender's address, then gap, then date, then gap a line, then receiver address. Receiver address, then gap a line, salutation. In salutation, write sir oblique ma. Okay, no dear, no respected will come here. Okay, no dear, no respected will come here, only sir oblique man. Then gap a line, subject. Okay, you can write here the topic of your invitation. Then gap body, body of invitation. Okay, then subscription. Subscription like yours truly. Mainly इसमें क्या आएगा? Yours truly. Then it gets ended. Is clear to you?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is just like your formal letter, you know. But here the word limit is very short, it is only 50 words. Okay, so just write first question in this connection. Are you ready for writing the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, write. You are Bhavna. You are Bhavna, the secretary of The secretary of SECRETARY, secretary of English Literary Society, English Literary Society of your school, Sunrise Public School, Ghaziabad. Sunrise Public School, Ghaziabad. Your school is holding a debate on girls education is a boon for India. Full stop. Write an invitation to the Director of Education of your state to attend, no, not to attend, to preside करो, to preside over the function, Okay, now you have to write this formal invitation, and you are inviting a very high profile person. Then your tone must be very mild. आपकी टोन बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए किसी को इनवाइट करने के लिए, स्पेशली यू आर इनवाइटिंग द डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन ऑफ योर स्टेट. So first of all, we will write the address of the school. Our school address is Sunrise Public School, P Pocket, Ghaziabad. Clear? Then we write here the date, November 6, 2020. Here the gap line. Okay. Then gap line receiver's address. The director of education. Okay, we will write here the address of his office. Okay, not of a home. Director of education, Charbagh, Lucknow. Okay, this is the address of the director of education. Okay, office address. Now then gap line, sir. Then gap line, subject. I am writing a subject. Okay, subject to preside over a debate. Preside has been taken from president. Preside means किसी चीज attend करना. You can say that here, to attend a debate or to preside over debating. After preside, you will always write over. Okay, preside over means किसी function को attend करना. Okay, now we will start just a language that the person could not refuse us to attend the function. Okay, so here we will use very refined language. You can say that refined, बहुत ही अच्छी language. हम यूज करते हैं अपनी लैंग्वेज को. It would be a matter of great honor to us if you could spare your precious time and consent to preside over an inter-school debate. You can write here, debate on the topic of, you can on that topic, and you can write here that topic name on okay. Yes, sir. On, here's my, yes, girls education is the boon for India. Okay, you can write any topic or the topic which is given in the question. Okay, girls education is a boon, not the, is a boon for India to be held on November 20th, 2020 at 11 a.m. in the school. Auditorium. Okay. Now, confirm your acceptance by 15th November. Okay, means if you are coming to send us your confirmation, send your confirmation. You can also write send your confirmation till or by 15th November 2020. It means if you are not coming, so we can arrange some other high profile person to attend the seminar or the debate function, whatever is given in the question. Okay. Now, once again, I am reading here. It would be a matter of great honor to us. It means ये हमारे लिए बड़े सम्मान की बात होगी. Okay, it is a very mild and refined language for inviting the person. It would be a matter of great honor to us if you could spare your precious time or some time, and consent to preside over an inter-school debate on the topic girls' education is a boon for India. Now, to be held on. You might will mention your date to be held on November 20th, 2020 at 11 a.m. where in the school auditorium. Okay, we want your confirmation. To confirm your acceptance by 15th November 2020, November 15th. You can also write as in the same way. Now, yours truly, gap L9, yours truly. क्या नाम था शायद भव्या या भावना जो भी था भावना ये क्या है सेक्रेटरी here you can write secretary okay and you just close it in a box ये आप एक बॉक्स के अंदर इसको क्लोज कर देंगे बंद कर देंगे now I think it is clear to you or not
Clear, sir.
okay
Yes, sir.
it is a revision for you because I think that you would have done this type of invitation in 11th also.
No, sir.
No, okay. As far as I am thinking that I would have dictated. If not, so it does not matter. We are doing it just now. Okay. Now the right next one. Right next one. Ready? You are Sapna Sharma. You are Sapna Sharma, the president of sports club. The president of sports club of your school. Name school Zenith Public School. Zenith, Zenith, Zenith Public School, Faridabad. Please stop. You are holding are limited over, you are holding a limited over cricket championship. You are holding a limited over cricket championship from 2nd December, from 2nd December to 8th December 2020. Now you want to invite some important or some very famous cricketer to attend the function. Okay, so right here, draft a suitable invitation. Draft a suitable invitation to invite Sachin Tendulkar, to invite Sachin Tendulkar to inaugurate inaugurate, to inaugurate this cricket championship. Done. Now here the address of Sachin Tendulkar is not given, so we can write any address. Okay, but there should be an address here. Are you listening? Getting what you?
Yes, sir.
First of all, we write here the address of the school. Zenith Public School. C for Kito. Faridabad. Okay, now gap a line, and this time I will not mark here the dash for gapping the line. Okay, I'm just writing that date. November 6, 2020. Then Mr. Sachin Tendulkar any address we can write here. Okay, Ville Parle, Mumbai. Any address from our side. Okay, then sir, then subject. To inaugurate cricket championship. Now we are going to invite a very high profile person. Okay, it means Bharat Ratna of India. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so we will write here. We will start our topic, our language like that. First of all, we will write what our school is doing. Okay, our school is holding or organizing, whatever you want to write, you can write here. Our school is holding a limited over cricket championship from December 2nd, 2020 to December 8, 2020. Okay. Now, actually, school has invited all other schools. Okay. So, all the schools of this area are like to participate. मीन्स इस एरिया के जो स्कूल हैं वे पार्टिसिपेट करने जा रहे हैं. तो ऑल द स्कूल्स ऑफ दिस एरिया आर लाइक टू पार्टिसिपेट. एरिया आर लाइक टू पार्टिसिपेट. Okay. Now we are just inviting that person. So we will write here your presence will act